From managing the students' devices to monitoring, don't you have too many things to worry about? Is there a way to make both online and offline classes more convenient and reliable? If this is what you're thinking, don't worry. Whalebook is here. The optimal device for domestic education and future blended learning. Whalebook. WBC, the biggest feature of Whalebook is a combination of Whalebook device management and manage classes. You can manage the students' devices and browsers all at once through the Whalebook control, while also having classes with students more easily through class management. To set up a customized learning environment before class starts, change the user settings. The settings can be set for each class and subject. From bookmarks to favorites, sidebars, startup pages, etc. The teacher can set the browser setting as desired. Also, the safe browsing function can block hazardous and harmful websites to protect the student's learning environment. If other websites need to be blocked, add the URL to block them. The saved browser settings can be directly shared with the students. Now, let's start the class using the Manage Classes app. In Whalebook, you can monitor the screens of the connected students in real time. That means it is possible to check whether the students are following along. In Manage Classes, you can use the one-to-one chat or the chat all function. Just now, a student named Will Kim asked a question through a one-to-one chat. Let's check Will Kim's screen. If you want to check a specific student's screen in detail, you can use the monitoring function to monitor it individually. Provide feedback as if you're right next to them. In Whalebook, you can share the screen of the teacher or participating students with the screen sharing function. The teacher's screen can be shared with everyone by simply clicking the Share Screen button. Isn't that convenient? When there is a presentation, a certain student's screen can be shared with everyone and used as a presentation. Sometimes during class, you need to share links. If you write the internet address on the blackboard, the students won't all be able to go to it. Some may be slow at typing, and you might have to worry whether everyone accessed the link. Now, in Whalebook, you can quickly share the URL with the students using the Cast tab button. It seems like a student is on a screen that is not related to the class. In this case, a specific device can be locked with the screen lock function. If necessary, you can help the students concentrate with the lock all screens function. To take notes during class, use the screen note function. Write freely on the screen and record the progress with the screen recording function. Whalebook's screen note function allows you to take notes without restrictions even when you are working on the screen or playing a video. The notes do not disappear, even when you surf the web or play a different video. To record the process of taking notes with the screen note function, try using the screen recording function. Press the screenshot key on the keyboard to instantly take a screenshot or record the screen. Aside from recording during class, you can directly see and edit the student's problem-solving process. Record your note-taking process and save it in your Whalebook. There's no longer a need to record with your phone. Instead, you can record it with Whalebook and share it on the drive. Classes as well as the learning experience for students will be easier, right? When a video class is required, try using the Whale on video conference service built into Whalebook. Direct access is available by pressing a dedicated key on the keyboard. Whale on can be used free of charge without a time limit. and can be accessed by up to 500 people. Therefore, it can be used in various situations such as online classes or presentations. Class-specific features such as chat, screen sharing, whiteboard, and reaction are helpful for online classes. Are you worried about security? The WhaleOS 2.0, installed in Whalebook, automatically updates upon booting to maintain the latest software environment. It protects students by blocking malicious code and advertisements that interfere with class. For teachers, it provides a stable class environment. Even during travel where it's difficult to get power, there's no need to worry about batteries. You can run the WhaleOS 2.0 quickly, as it boots the moment you open it. Whalebook is stable even when multiple applications are opened at once. You can work on a lot of different things, with no issues. Now, with Whalebook, students can focus on their classes, and teachers can focus on student management. Experience the futuristic blended class that connects teachers and students in Whalebook.